So let's discuss who can apply ESA. You can apply for Employment and Support Allowance if you have a disability or health condition that affects how much you can work. ESA gives you money to help with living costs if you are unable to work, support to get back into work if you are able to. You can apply for ESA if you are unemployed, employed, or self-employed. Now let's discuss what you will get. How much you get will depend on what stage your application is at, as well as things like your age and whether you are able to get back into work. If you get new Style ESA, you will be classed 1 National Insurance Credit, which can help towards your state pension and some other benefits in the future. If you get new Style ESA, your payment will be affected if you get more than £85 a week from a private pension. If you do, half of your private pension income over £85 will be subtracted from your ESA payment each week. For example, if you get £100 a week from a private pension, then £7.50 will be subtracted from ESA payment each week. If your private pension income is high enough, you could get no ESA payment. You would get a Class 1 National Insurance Credit. If you get Income-Related ESA, your household income and saving worth 6,000 or more money affect how much you will get. While your claim is being assessed, you will normally get the assessment rate for 13 weeks while your claim is being assessed. This will be up to £67.20 a week if you are aged under 25, £84.80 per week if you are aged 25. If it takes longer than 13 weeks to assess your claim, you will continue getting the assessment rate until you get the decision. Your ESA will be backdated if you owned any money after 13 weeks. After you are assessed, you will be placed into one of two groups if you are entitled to ESA. If you are able to get back into work for future, you will be put into work related to activity group. Otherwise, you will be put into a support group. You will get up to £84.80 a week if you are in the work related activity group, to £129.50 a week if you are in a support group. How and when you are paid? You will get ESA every 2 weeks. The eligibility criteria, let's discuss that. You can apply for Employment and Support Allowance if you have a disability or health condition that affect how much you can work. ESA gives you money to help with your living cost if you are unable to work, support to get back into work if you are able to. You can apply if you are employed, self-employed, or unemployed. Claiming Universal Credit and New Style ESA. You might be able to get Universal Credit at the same time instead of ESA. If you get both benefits, your Universal Credit payment is reduced by the amount you get the New Style ESA. Your New Style ESA will usually be paid more regularly than Universal Credit. You will get different National Insurance Credit which counts toward your state pension and help you to qualify for other benefits. If you get Statutory Sick Pay, which is also known as SSP, if it's about to due end, in that case, you can apply for ESA up to 3 months before your SSP ends. You will get the starter rate at the New Style ESA as soon as your SSP ends. If you are working, you can apply whether you are in work or out of work. There are usually some conditions and that being considered for your ESA claim. You can usually work while you are claiming ESA if both of the following apply. You work less than 16 hours a week. You do not earn more than £167 a week. You can do as many as hours you want of voluntary work as you like. Tell Job Center Plus about your work, including any voluntary work you are doing, to make a claim. You will be ready for claiming the ESA, and if you wanted to start work, fill the ESA form, permitted work form which is also known as, and send it to the Job Center Plus. Working while you claim. You can usually work while you claiming ESA if both of the following apply. You work less than 16 hours a week. You do not earn more than £167 a week. You can do as many hours you want for voluntary work as you like. Tell Job Center Plus about your work, including any voluntary work you are doing, to make a claim. Now let's discuss how to claim ESA. You will need your NI number, your bank details, your sort code and account number, your doctor name, address and telephone number, a fit note, detail of your income if you are working, the date of your statutory sick pay ends if you are claiming it. You can apply online for ESA. You can also apply via Job Center Plus if you cannot do online. The phone number for that 0800 055 6688. If you have any questions regarding how to claim ESA, feel free to contact me and I'll get back to you.